Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Discovery 3.0 D300 Dynamic HSE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Hakuba silver metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your Matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 22-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing against the Hakuba silver exterior colour. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid. Once open, you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase. As well as this, you could also find the deployable tow bar controls, allowing you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. As we move around the front, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have your sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise controls, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle is some 14,531 miles, however this is subject to change. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have your deployable tow bar controls, allowing you to deploy or stow away the tow bar from within the comfort of the cabin. You also have your 4x4 information, along with weight sensing and terrain response drive modes. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. The front seats are heated and ventilated, and paired with this is a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. You also have the off-road feature on the 3D view, and of course your 360 view, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Now, this has been a presentation on our Land Rover Discovery 3.0 D300 Dynamic HSE. For more information, please contact our sales team.